This is the Simetra wet dry brush. It is amazing. It's gorgeous. For one, they all have a little gem down here. You can get a different color. The feel is like almost like the liquid silicone. It's a really luxurious handle. The whole brush is made of that really, really smooth, nice material. And then the bristles, you've got two kinds going on. You've got the beaded kind and you've got the firm bristle that is a little shorter than the beaded one. So it's just going to like get those tangles out, and it's just an amazing brush. My hair is really, really tangly right now. It feels good. It like massages your scalp a little. Oh. And it's also contoured. I don't know if you can tell, but it's like concave in the middle, kind of like shaped like this. So when you're going along your scalp, it just like fits perfectly and feels so good. This is my new favorite brush. Oh my gosh.